Okay, our lesson today, inshallah, will be about how has man negatively affected the environment. What is the negative effect that man did for the environment, and what are these effects that can cause or harm our life or our humans' life or planets or any organism which live on this planet.
Me.
Okay, Salim, you want to say something?
I can say the answer.
Okay, say, what do you want to say?
Like smoke.
I can't hear you, Salim.
Smoke.
Hmm?
Smoke.
Okay, thank you, Salim. Our objectives for today explore how man has a positive and negative effects on the environment, and also what is pollution, what is the meaning of pollution. Okay,
Okay.
as the world's population increases, our demands of natural resources increases. What is the meaning of population? Ola?
Me.
Number of me.
Ola answer.
Number of people.
Number of people, very good. Ranim?
التلوث.
No, population.
Population. The humans in the world.
The humans and world, very good, excellent. Hala?
الشهرة.
No.
The more people.
Population, more people, very good. Salim, you want to add something?
No.
Okay. All of you are here. Okay, Hala, can you send to Clara? Check where is she?
Okay, mister. I'm gonna send to Ghazal too. She's not here.
Ghazal here. Hello,
مستر
Ghazal.
لأنه كان برا طلعني لحاله.
Okay, no problem. You are welcome. You're welcome, Ghazal. Okay. Hala, did you finish? Okay, as the world's population increases, our demands of natural resources increases. كلما زاد عدد السكان حاجة الإنسان للأشياء بتزداد مع الوقت. Okay؟ للطعام، للطاقة، للهواء، لجميع الاستخدامات، كله بيزداد مع زيادة عدد السكان. As the world population increases, our demands of natural resources increases. Fossil fuels are widely to produce energy. Large amount of energy is needed to manufacture the items we need in our life. Okay, fossil fuels are widely to produce energy. Large amount of energy is needed to manufacture the items we need in our life. And as we can see in this graph, okay, with years, first at 1965, our consumption of fuels were very low, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
Can you see the graph?
Yes.
Yes.
Here, a lot of...
Hello.
Hello, Clara, welcome. Where have you been?
There was something problem. There was a problem with the internet, so I only knew there was a meeting by Hala and Sulu.
Okay, welcome. Welcome, Clara. Okay, our consumption, fuel consumption with years, it become more and more. Why? That means it increases. Why that's this consumption increases? Okay, Ola.
Because the population increases
Very good.
and
Excellent.
our
Ola. Excellent. Thank you. Salim,
Yes.
you want to answer?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
When more human increase, also the stuffs will increase more used. It will be used more.
Yes, very good. Because population increases, our demands for energy increases also. Here at 1965, low amount of using of or consumption of energy, and with years 1975, it become more and more, as you can see here and here and here. 1995 become more increases. 2005 increasing more, 2011 it increasing more and more. Here, this one is gas, the black one is coal, the blue one is oil. Here, oil, coal, and gas. The green and red, renewable and nuclear resources of energy. Okay, our consumption is still less than what we need in our life. So fossil fuels are widely to produce energy. Large amount of energy is needed to manufacture the items we need in our life. Do you have any question in this part?
no. No.
How do you think the demands for fuel change as the number of car owners increases? My question for now. What do you think?
What, mister? What is the question?
The question, the last one, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
The last one here. How do you think the demands for fuel changes as the number of car owners increases? Salim?
Me. Mr. Because there is now people are learning to drive car and there is more people driving cars, so it will get more people using fuel. So
Very good,
it will
excellent,
go up.
Salim. Thank you so much. Aranim?
Because the number of humans is increasing, the cars also are increasing, so the fuels will decrease because a lot of
Decrease?
humans use it.
Again. Decrease or increase?
The number of humans is increasing and the fuels are decreasing.
Why? The fuel, you means? I don't understand your name. Can you explain again?
Yes, the number of humans is increasing, so a lot of humans buy cars, so the number of cars is increasing. When humans buy cars, they will take fuels or oil for their cars, so the oil is decreasing.
Okay, I understand you. Thank you so much. Ranim means here the consumption of fuels increase. So the amount which we have of fuels will decrease. Right, Ranim?
Yes.
Yes, thank you so much. هي تقول ان مع الاستخدام الاكثر وزياده السيارات والناس حيزيد استخدام البترول فيقل المخزون. Okay. After increasing number of cars and number of people, okay, population increasing, okay, the demands and the consumption of fuel will increase and our store of fuels will decrease. Okay, Clara, you can answer. What do you want to say?
Because when the humans develop and grow, they need to learn how to drive, and every second people are buying cars, so the fuel should increase, so it can be able to the humans, so they can all drive.
Okay,
Transport.
Thank you so much. Very good answer. Hala, you want to add something?
I can answer.
Okay.
So for the first thing that when the humans are becoming more, the cars will become less because every human, when he will become big, he have to get a car. So the number of cars will be less.
Why? The number of car will increase.
Sorry, will increase.
Increase, Hala. Now, uh, everyone at his home have more than one car, okay? Because there's a lot of people buying cars now, okay?
Okay.
Now you can find yourself, your mom, your dad, your brother or sister, everyone have a car. The increasing number of population make increasing of number of cars, okay? That means we will have more consumption of fuels, okay? We need a lot of demands of fuel for fuel change as the number of car owners changed. What is the meaning of pollution? Pollution
Me,
is, okay, I need someone to say answer, but
me.
not something is written on the screen, okay? I want different answers. Okay, Ranim?
Can I say it in Arabic?
No, in English.
Pollution is like when we throw our waste in the habitat. It
Excellent,
is a waste.
excellent answer, mashallah. Thank you so much. Clara?
Pollution is something that is done by humans. It is something that makes the nature worse.
Very good, thank you so much. Ola?
The pollution is something that is caused by the man's negatively affects and it harms the environment.
Thank you so much, excellent answer. Hala?
The pollination is became from the
No,
humans.
no, Hala, pollution.
Sorry, pollution. So the pollution came from the people and from the humans when they do worse things for the nature.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Clara.
Mr. I answered.
Okay, thank you. Marwan.
The pollution is an introduct of harm.
Mister,
Yes, wait.
can
Give.
you repeat the question?
What the meaning of pollution, Ghazal?
I want to think.
You want to answer?
No.
Okay, Surur. You want to answer, Surur? How are you, Surur? Ramadan Mubarak. Surur. Say anything, Surur. Okay, pollution is introduction of harmful matter or pollutant to the environment. When we throw wastes on water, waste from factories, wastes from homes, that harms our environment and that harm our health also. Okay? The first one we are going to speak about is water pollution. So the first one which we were talking about is pollution in general. Introduction of harmful matter or pollutant to the environment. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are discharged into water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, and seas. Okay? Any harmful substance we throw it inside water that make water pollution. Okay? Water pollution again occurs when pollutants are discharged into pollutants are discharged into water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, and seas. Okay? Do you have any
Okay.
question in this part?
No.
Okay,
No.
some types of water pollution. Okay, the first one is soil erosion. Soil erosion, like you can see in these pictures, when loose from quarries and cleared forests is washed into rivers by a lot of rains that comes into forests. These rains try to move the soil with them from one place to another place. So we will find a lot of mud inside water. A lot of mud is moving with water. This muddy water will be dark or light water.
Dark.
It will be
Dark.
dark. Very good. This will be muddy water. Okay. Also become murky. Murky means dark. Okay. The water become murky and muddy. That reduce the amount of sunlight that reaches the aquatic plants. This prevents the photosynthesis from taking place. Okay, if I am going to ask you a question now, what prevent the aquatic planets from photosynthesis taking place?
Me.
Mister.
Me.
Mister.
Okay,
What?
what? Who said Mister?
Me.
Marwan?
Yeah.
What do you want to say, Marwan?
What you see?
I say, what is the reason of preventing the photosynthesis from taking a place at the aquatic planets inside this water? Okay, Ola?
The soil erosion that causes the water to be murky and muddy.
Very good.
That reduces
Answer
amount
me.
of
Thank you so much. Thank you, Salim.
Because it reduces the sunlight and the water is it's dark and muddy, so it reduces sunlight.
Very good. Thank you so much. Hala?
Because the sunlight come to the Mr. Can you like explain it? Explain the question.
Explain the question.
Yes.
Okay, wait, listen to them and I will explain. Okay, again. Clara?
Because it will block sunlight and the water, and it won't be able to get the clean fresh water. The water will be murky and muddy.
Very good. Thank you so much. Hala, the question was, what is the reason of preventing the photosynthesis from taking place at aquatic planets?
Mr. Me.
Did you get it, Hala?
Yes, I think.
Okay, I will explain it again.
Block the sunlight from the plants.
Very good. The mud block the sunlight to reach the plant. Okay, Salim,
Me.
Yes.
you want to say?
I already said.
Okay, remove your hand. Ranim,
Yes, because of pollution, the water is going to be muddy and dark, so it will block the sunlight from the water plants.
very good, very good, excellent. Thank you so much. Surur, you want to say something?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, can you answer?
What is the question?
MashaAllah. What are you doing, Surur? I asked the questions more than 5 times and all of your classmates answered me. Can you read Surur from the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Please.
When lose from quarries carried for a forest and is washed into rivers with water because murky and muddy the reduce the amount of sunlight that reach, reach,
Reaches.
reach, reaches the,
Aquatic.
the aquatic plants the
Hmm.
okay.
Thus prevent the photosynthesis from taking place. Okay. Thank you, Sroor. Okay. Now, non-renewable resources. We were speaking about them before. Okay.
Okay.
Non-renewable resources like here we speak about them last week, right?
Yes.
Like oil
Yes.
and coal.
Yes.
Okay, they also can make some pollution, but here we are not talking about air pollution. No, we will speak about water pollution by oil spill. Okay, anyone know what is oil spill?
Me, Mr.
Yeah.
Me, Mr.
Okay, Ranin.
Me.
I think oil spill means when the oil is going down in the water.
Okay, thank you so much. Excellent. Salem.
Me, Mr. Me,
Ah,
Mr.
it happened when oil tank leak.
Okay, thank you. Marwan, you want to answer?
Yeah.
Answer.
Serious oil spill happen when oil tanker leak oil into the ocean by accident.
Okay, thank you so much, Marwan. Clara.
Oil spill happens when a ship is carrying oil and something goes wrong, so oil will go into the ocean and kill lots of fish and fish species.
Okay, thank you so much, Clara. Hala.
Fall down. The oil spill is when the water falls down. This is named as oil spill.
Okay, thank you so much. Salim, you want to add something?
No.
Okay, lower your hand. Ola.
Okay.
Oil spill happens when something went wrong with the tankers, so it leaks oil into the ocean.
Very good, excellent. MashaAllah alaikum. Very good. All of you are excellent. Okay, oil spill like we can see in these pictures. Okay, when tankers leak oil into oceans, the oil affects the wildlife. Okay, like you can see in these pictures here, birds and fish are going to die because of the pollution or the water pollution. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Why they did?
Okay.
Why they are dying now? What is the reason?
Me.
Okay, Ala.
Memester.
Because some pollutants discharged into the ocean.
Very good. Thank you so much. Very good answer. Who else can answer?
Memester. Me
Me.
Hala.
Okay, Hala.
They are being dead because of the pollution.
Very good. Thank you so much. Serious oil spills happen when oil tankers leak oil into the ocean by accident. Oil affects wildlife, for example, by coating the birds' bodies. Like we can see here in this picture of the bird, its body covered by oil, okay? With
Okay.
thick layer of oil that reduces the bird's ability to fly. Here the birds will not fly or couldn't fly again, so it will die. Also here, the fish inside the sea cannot find oxygen because the oil covered the water surface from outside and prevent the oxygen from reach the water. So the fish cannot find oxygen to breathe. So all fish die at this place which oil spilled. Okay? Do you have
Okay.
any question in this part?
No.
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 Okay, I want to reply anything again for Ghazal, Surur, Marwan. If something is not clear, I can reply again. لو في شيء غير واضح ممكن أعيد مرة أخرى. Okay? Everything is
Mister?
clear? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Surur.
Mister, what's the meaning of oil spill?
What's the meaning of oil spill?
Yes.
Oil spill, like you can see in this picture, the first picture. This is petroleum station. Okay?
Okay.
Petroleum station, and oil here is leak from the station, okay? And cover all the water surface. اللي في عندي الزيت يتسرب تسريب للزيوت او البترول على سطح الماء، اوكي؟ فيقوم بتغيير خصائص الماء من الاعلى ويؤدي الى وفاة بعض الكائنات الحية مثل الطيور والاسماك، اوكي؟ Oil spill again. When tankers leak oil into oceans, the oil affects the wildlife. Okay?
Okay.
Inshallah, our next lesson will be about air pollution and deforestation. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Inshallah, your homework. The first question, what happened when the world population increased? The second one, define pollution, water pollution, and oil spills. Okay? My best wishes for all of you, and have a nice day and happy Ramadan. Please wait for me for 1 minute. I want to ask you for something. Have a nice day and take care, my dear students.